How to make your own pumpkin ice bucket. Grab a carving knife and cut the top off of a large foam pumpkin. Next, open up Cricut Design Space to create your custom decal. I used the Magnolia Sky font to create this Cheers decal, and I also made sure to ungroup the letters and reposition a few of them just to make sure that the cursive flowed. I also resized it to 9 inches wide before cutting. Then I set my Cricut Explore Air 2 to vinyl and waited for the decal to be cut. I overestimated how much vinyl I was going to need, so I cut the vinyl backing just to make it easier to work with, and then I covered it with contact paper. I didn't do the best job here of avoiding air pockets, so I really needed the scraper tool to help make sure that the letters adhered to the contact paper. Once I was confident that they had, I carefully peeled off the decal and transferred it to the pumpkin. In order to get the decal to stick to the pumpkin, since vinyl really likes flat surfaces and there are grooves in the pumpkin, I went over each and every letter multiple times with the scraper tool in order to make sure that the letters adhered properly. Once I was sure that the decal had transferred entirely, I carefully removed the top sheet and was really happy with the way everything looked. Once the design was done, I used cling wrap. You can also use cellophane wrap, which tends to look a little bit nicer, to waterproof the inside before adding any ice. And once it was fully covered, I started throwing in ice, added a bottle of champagne, and was ready to enjoy.